What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad and Axel from Dad Axel Simply Cooking. And today, what are we going to make?
We got our bacon here and our corn.
What are we going to make?
We are making...
Today, we're going to be making some smash burgers. We're also going to be making some tater tots and some corn on the cob. Plain and simple. I just got home. It was a late day at work. First off, we need to get our corn boiling. So what do you think we need to put our corn in? We need to get a pot. And we need to fill it with what? Water? Do we want cold water or hot water?
Maybe hot.
Hot water? Good answer.
Chicken.
Drop.
That's that one.
One. How many is that?
2.
Yep. And that one?
Now this one.
So how many we got?
Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Good job. Put that away for me, please. And this is going, and when this is plugged in, we don't touch, right? Because it's going to be what?
Hot and burned.
Hot. That's right. So this is, I think, 80-20.
I'm going to go get my...
73. And this was actually on special for a pound, $3 a pound. So I had to buy a few of them because I was like, yo, that's a fairly good deal. And I'm making some extra ones because I want some to take to lunch tomorrow because I don't want to eat out. I didn't eat out today. I don't want to eat out tomorrow. I ate out yesterday and the day before, and I was like, ugh. So I figured I'll make some extra. All right, so here we have the Flavor Bomb Burger. Good and pour it in there. That should be good.
We want a lot.
We do. I'm going to add in the salt.
And the pepper.
You want to add in this? This is Smokehouse Maple Seasoning.
No, God!
Not too much. There you go. There you go. There you go.
You want a lot of pepper?
Oh, yeah. I love pepper.
We have a lot of pepper.
I love pepper.
Oh.
And I'm going to add some cheese. Because why not?
Hey, guess what? I'm cooking them.
You are? Good.
I'm cooking them. They're not in heaven.
Oh.
They're under it. I'm gonna put this. No. No, there. Well, that is really hot. It's really hot, so I'm gonna grab it. But you're the only one who's gonna get burnt.
I hope I don't get burnt.
No.
That'd be bad. I got some farmhouse buns.
And we got that are hot dog buns.
I love farmhouse buns. Like hot dog and hamburger buns.
Yeah, hot dog bun, whatever you want to call it.
Mm-hmm. So the trick is, look, you can flip it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that cook part is, I'm going to push down now.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'll switch out one. Okay, so the way we want to do it is we're going to roll it. So the way I do it mine is I'll roll it over to where that cooked bottom is exposed. And then I'm going to bring my spatula down. Press. Bring yours on. Push.
Okay, so I'm gonna do.
So we also wanted some bacon with our burgers.
You can bake it and go to your oven. Can
Yeah.
eat it for breakfast.
You can eat it for breakfast. I preheated my oven to 350. I'm gonna go ahead and pop some bacon on a pan.
You don't just want to. You know, because you want to make a fast burger. You can always make it.
That's right.
When that gets done, I'll move my pie.
Toast those buns on up. That's my biggest thing. I love coming home, and on Wednesdays my daughter has dance. There used to be this old place when I first moved down here, called Duff's, and it was this was a long time ago. And man, they had some of the best old fashioned burgers like this. They used the flat top, grilled the burgers up, just always good, just so good. And the owner passed away and eventually closed down. It was sad, but you know. So my corn is done. I'm gonna strain it. Get some butter, and then some pepper, and some salt. I want to say thank you. This is my family. It's yours. It's a simple, easy dinner. Even the dog's coming. Come on. She ain't coming. So y'all, I appreciate it. Simple, easy smash burgers. The dog came involved too. So y'all, we'll see you later. I appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. And we'll catch you in the next one. I love you. Take care. See ya. Peace. Share the love. Share it with everybody else. Make sure you tell somebody you love them. And just enjoy your family, because that's what life's about. I love y'all so much. And I'll see you later. We're going to go eat. Peace.